Hi friends, in this question, we will try to find out what is the value of 18 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 22 equal to. So I'll try to get everything in 20 terms. So 18 I can replace with 20 minus 2. 19 I can replace with 20 minus 1. 20 I will keep it as it is. 21 I'll write down as 20 plus 1, and 22 I can write down as 20 plus 2. Now we can see I do have 20 common in all my terms. So I'll take let x equal to 20. So I'll replace my 20 with x. So that will give me x minus 2, x minus 1, multiplied by x, multiplied by x plus 1, multiplied by x plus 2. Now, guys, we do have a principle. Let us say a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Then what do we get is a square minus b square, isn't it? So a minus b times a plus b is a square minus b square. So we can see that here x minus 2 and x plus 2. So that is a minus b, a plus b, which is a square minus b square. So this will give me x square minus 2 square. 2 square is going to be 4. And this is x minus 1, x plus 1. This will also become a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square, which will give us x square minus 1 square, which is just 1. And then I do have x with that. Now, I will try to expand these two. So when I'm expanding, I'll be multiplying my x square with x square first. So x square times x square is x power 4. And then x square with minus 1, which is minus x square. And then minus 4 with x square, which is minus 4x square. And then minus 4 times minus 1, which is plus 4. And then this x will remain as it is. Now I'll be collecting the like terms. So it will give me x power 4 minus x square minus 4x square. So these two are the like terms, which will become 5x square plus 4 and then times it by x. Now my x was 20. So I had taken my x equal to 20, which I can replace it back now. So if I replace my x value 20, that is going to be 20 power 4 minus 5 and then 20 square plus 4. And then there is going to be 20 outside. Now, 20 power 4. So I will not worry about the 0. 2 power 4. The 2 power 4, if I want to figure out, I can just do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So I put on 16, and there's a 1 0, there's a power 4, so 1 0 will become 1, 2, 3, and 4 zeros. And then 20 square, so 20 times 20, which will become 4. 2 square is 4, 1 0 will become 2 0, plus 4, and that is multiplied by 20. Now, 1, 6, and 4 zeros. And here we can do 5 4s are 20. So 20 and then 2 more zeros plus 4 and then times it by 20. Now we'll try to collect them. So here we can see like it is nothing else but 160,000, isn't it? This is like a 160,000 and this is like a 2,000. So 160,000 minus 2,000. So we can do 160 minus 2, which is 158, and they both are the thousand. So 158,000 plus 4 and then multiply by 20. So now this is going to be 158,004. and this is going to be multiplied by 20. 20, I can just do 2 and then times it by 10. 20 is 2 times 10, so I can just multiply by 2. Once I get my answer, then I can just put down the 0 at the end. So that will be simpler. So when I'm multiplying by 2, 2 4 ja 8. So that will be 8, 2 0 0, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 8 ja 16, 1 carry, and 2 5 ja 10, and 1 11, 1 carry, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3. So that multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 is not going to do anything but putting the 0 then. So that will be 3 1 6 0 0 8 and 0 at the end. So this is our final answer, guys. Isn't it amazing? Yeah. So if you do know the maths well, then we can do wonderful things without calculator as well. So this is our final answer of our question, guys. Thank you very much.